Good morning, guys. Welcome to another day, and welcome to, we have a big event right now in the world, the Olympics, and I think so far we've not seen any medals for the Philippines, and some of our medal contenders, Yumar Marshall has been eliminated na during the first round of boxing competition. So Olympics is not as simple, as easy. Diba? Nadali na ma-predict. No. It's the gathering of the best of the best. So sometimes, especially our boxers, you have to give it your all. So there's no such thing as kuan ba. Everyone who's in the Olympics are deserving. So they can win anytime, diba? Especially ka ng mga contact sports ba na seedings won't matter, diba? Experience maybe somehow gives you a little advantage, mga past accomplishments, but accomplishments, puro na accomplished athletes ang naadi sa Olympics. So dili naka-ingon na ba? You can say anyone, there's a patsy there, So sayang, Yumar Marshall was a bronze medalist, now ousted in the first round, diba? Yung mga uban sa datong si Kiyomi Watanabe, diba? Mga atong judo, out na. Atong swimmer si Kayla Sanchez, she reached the semifinals but she didn't qualify for the finals. Pero we're hoping that someday this is just a step lang towards somehow. Diba naman may 2028 lagi, pero itong mga athletes, hopefully itong mga young athletes watch the Olympic Games and be inspired, diba? And there are Filipinos who are, flying another flag. Or di yun necessary Filipino, mga dugong Filipino ba, like our Lee Kiefer is now double gold medalist in 2 Olympics sa fencing. Ang yang lulo ug lula mga gikan na tagum. But of course, American na tao na bata. But still ba? Nga na ba? May anak na mga naidugong Pilipino. Even Yuka Saso is gonna be, playing for Japan. Diba? So atong mga athletes, good luck na lang yun. Of course, it's not an easy feat na ba? Congrats sa pag-qualify sa Olympics, but it's not gonna be as easy, di ba? Pero laban lang, di ba? Isang daon-taong laban niya. Pero di ba, kahit pa paano, we have some, in a way, mga gagmayng victories. Ba si Sam Katantan nakadaog og one bout, but she lost to the Italian world top seed actually, but world number 2. But that event was won by a Filipina, katubang not Filipina, an American, Filipino-American, we can say that, na si Lee Kiefer, diba? Winning her another medal. She beat her compatriot na taga USA, diba? I think si Scruggs was the one who beat the ones who beat Katantan. At least nakadaog si Sam Katantan in an Olympic level competition, diba? Layo ugol ko iyang ranking 200 plus, diba? And she gave a good fight sa katong Italian na top seed na world number 2, 15-12, diba? Marapag point is she made a good account of herself. Number pa itong ibash-bash ba ito siya na kuan siya, favored ba niya siya sa kuan athlete, kasi si Maxine Esteban, Maxine Esteban lost her bout also sa first round. So ba na ay nga na di ba gibash-bash na sa una kay ngano may labot si Sam and she did well na qualify siya sa Olympics, di ba? And at least she won one match diha sa France. Di ba? So somehow deserving siya with to a higher rank ba, mga gibutang siya 200 plus na rank sa nilang ranking niya, but she won the Asian qualification. Di ba? Asian qualification ko na pila ko ng mga Asian. Then butang na siya si Esteban 27 kay European icon man, African na second silver mo ko na siya sa Africa na mga championship. So but paano yung point ba na as I said in those kinds of sports kanang nakay-kontra, anything can happen sa Olympics lagi. Sa may naan ng ranking, mga past accomplishment won't matter. Ngayon ko nila kadis lang ron sila Nesty Peticio, sila Carlo Paalam. Dapat ngayon kang silver medalist ka last Tokyo Olympics, hindi na matter. Balik na sa scratch and think you're an underdog na kinanglan. You have to prove, diba? You have to knock out your opponent. Yung mga usay when it gets into our heads, kuhan ko medalist ko sa una, kasi yung mga kontra mga medalist mo sa una, diba? But this is the competition is now, diba? Diba to? Naman yun tabag katang mga term na peak. Diba? Mga kuhan. Kasi don't mo yung nakay-past accomplishment, diba? Kasi mauna to yung peak. So maybe you're in a decline na. So may naka-peak humor. Dapat peak Carlo, kapon is peak Carlo Paalam. Diba? On the rise, kapon ascend. Diba? Pero mana ang kuhan. Mana yung kuhan na to na hopefully kanis Carlos Yulo, hopefully he gets 2 golds. And the rest won't matter na sa Olympics natin 2 golds. O bet kani atong mga boxers at kani si Carlo Paalam ug Nesty Peticio, hopefully they'll give us get gold this time. Silver medalist sila sa una. Lagi na anything can happen. Ay kumpiyansa na bisa pag more accomplished ilang kontra, dapat way pakialam ka, beat them, diba? Di ba niya ilang kontra hometown bet, kabalaka na Nesty, kaya na kay na Nesty Peticio to enter the quarterfinals, diba? Round of 16, quarterfinals na sila. So laban sa round of 16, laban lang. Uban masud na si Carlo sa round of 8 sa quarters. Kaya gina basta ay lagwan kumpiyansa na kuan la, take a lesson from Yumer Marshall ba na marabag sige ligon ka, pero nasa mga ligon sa kalibutan. So dili ta mag kumpiyansa gyud, diba? To think good. Siya go to Asian Games gold medalist. I think yung nagapildi niya taga-Asia sa so mag previous bouts, previous medals won't matter na lahi na ni kani ang laban na kuan for the win yung kapirme mong mindset, diba? But see, I'm still hopeful lagi kani natin mga medals. Let's pray na pray sa kita mga tao. We're gonna root for them but also pray we will get medals, diba? Medals, diba? Medals na pag di na tayo satisfied sa una maramtag mag-ampo na makabisag lang sa ka bronze diya nalahi na after the Tokyo Olympics. Well, we know we're capable of more. Di ba? Yung igago tong Tokyo Olympics, we had 1 gold. That was Heidelin Diaz. We have 2 silvers. So, di ba? Este Pesesio, Carlo Palaman, 1 bronze. So, we can hopefully surpass. So, itong best medal hopes, I would say, is Carlos Yulo of gymnastics. Una-una ang all-arounds. All-around. Basta, it's gonna be a big challenge. So, diba? But yeah, who knows? So, diba? Maka bronze sa all-around. But gold sa all-around, it's a long shot because, you know, naman ko lahi. Di sa ka, napasila yung mga finals. And you can't, ba? Para pag sa hipot doon yung kusog para sa all-around, which is pila na ka-aparatos compared sa kuan lang ba, di ba? Kung katong yung apparatus finals, which is like ang iya ginang specialty, like katay itong floor exercise, siya ang best na mag floor exercise.
Slow down. Approaching speed bump.
Di ba? So hopefully we will win. And thank you so much for watching. Let me know, di ba, kung sa inyong thoughts about the Olympics. So, you know, would you dream to watch an Olympics kung ba dito yun sa venue, di ba? Yeah, hopefully someday, di ba? One of my dreams yun na nasa akong bucket list. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you sa next na itong mga drive maglag. Bye.